Hi friends, school management system is a very common requirement for schools nowadays, be it a primary school, secondary or even senior wing. Every school needs a school management system and that should be complete in all respect. Using a school management system, you can simply automate the complete working procedure at schools, be it a student registration, a student admission, or complete school management. WordPress gives us multiple solutions through which we can actually achieve our automation goal without any hassle or any trouble. And you can simply use WordPress for your website, business website, like in this case for school website, and an additional feature in that comes with a plugin, that is a complete school management system. In this video we are going to overview a very popular and most trusted school management system plugin. Yes, it is a plugin through which you can manage your complete school. Either you are making for yourself, you are making for your client. This is going to give you a complete solution, and I'm going to give you a complete overview of this plugin in this video itself. So watch this video until end. You are going to automate a school using this plugin, and that is also up to every level. Like you are going to get a student registration separately, teachers, parents, staff, and super admin is of course and obvious here. So we have multiple logins, and the best thing is that the student app is also available. The parents and students can use this complete system using a app available, ready to use available app, and you can simply forward the links or share the APKs for download, and they can connect to your system like a pro. And of course there will be a admin interface and school login interface from the desktop or laptop. So both the versions, either desktop version, app versions are available. So I'm not going to discuss much, but I'm going to show you everything how it is working in this video itself. Watch this video until end. Don't skip any part, because you never know what features you need for your school management. Okay, so what is the plugin? This is a school management system for WordPress, and it is available at codecanyon.net. But yes, you have to follow the video description link, that is going to be affiliate link for you, and you will be getting the complete support from us when you will buy the plugin through the link. Okay, so this is a school management system by Mo Zumla, and it is a plugin that is in existence since 2015. It is a most trusted plugin, and regular updates for this plugin is also being done time to time. So you can check all these features at your end, but yes, I'm going to show you some most utilized data flow and how we are going to manage our school using this plugin. And as I said, it is going to be a complete WordPress school management system, and school management system is the ideal way to manage complete school operations. The system has different access rights for admin, teacher, students, and parents. So as I said, you can also have a live demo for you, and we can arrange a complete demo instance for you if you just wanted to check for your website or yourself, or you want to check everything at your own. We will create a demo instance for you. However, it is available as well through the developer of this theme. Okay, so the plugin itself. Okay, so I'm not concerned with the website that you are using for your school. You can simply find other website, the multiple website themes for the schools at this channel itself. As you know, WP Themes has now 100 oh, not sorry, it is not 100, it is 1000 WordPress resource that is available on this channel, and you can find multiple suitable theme for your school website. Even if you are not using WordPress for your school website, you can use this plugin as a standalone, and you can connect your existing website for a school management system. So it is going to be very simple, and as I said, we are here to help you in every respect. Simply join the iCreate program, connect a mentor, and start a chat or connect a mentor for helping you in this regard, or any website or any WordPress requirement. We have everything, so you can explore this website. I'm going to add this link as well. So let us directly jump to the admin interface of school management system, so that I may show you the maximum potential of this school management system. After that, I'll also log in the student and the teacher and the parents, and I'll show you all the dashboards and the screens that is available, so that you may easily understand. And at last, I will certainly install the plugin at this WordPress fresh installation, so that you may also know the installation process of this plugin and how you can configure the plugin at your WordPress website or WordPress CMS. So you can, as I said, you can use this system as a standalone for automating your school, or even you can use this system for with your existing WordPress website. It is totally up to you. And if you have any question, you can simply write in the comment section of this video. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard of this school management system, and you can see the dashboard is showing very much things, and it is showing all the details in very crisp manner. So fee is main concern, so it is prominently shown here. The calendar, school calendar, like holiday, notice, exams and events can be seen here. Fee payments, students and parents, what are the how many number of students and parents are logging in the system or using the system, and the class details, how the classes are functioning. So you can get all the information, all the reports in a short manner here. And in the left navigation, we have everything that we have to configure or control. So first of all, we need to go through the system setting. That is very much important, and I'll go to the system setting directly. Okay, so it is showing SMS setting and email templates, so custom fields, so we can check what this screen is offering us. So we can add custom fields like the custom field name that we want to use for our system. So it is a totally configurable system, so we can add our custom fields as we need, like form name, the student form name, where we want to add the custom field. So this is the custom field area that we can add in any form. This is a very common requirement. This is why it is now available at this management system. Like, you want to change the form that is available, default form is there, but you want to change a custom field, you can do this from this screen. Similarly, you can set the SMS that is going to be triggered to the students or their parents, or so you have to configure the message. So you can get any SMS provider UPIs and API key you can use, and you will be able to configure the messaging system. Similarly, you can use the email templates for triggering at different levels, like the request for admission mail template, approve admission mail template. So you can simply change these templates, and you can use the short links to pull the data automatically, so that in the mail that is going to be delivered, it seems or looks very professional and carrying all the information like the student username or similar activities. So next, after completing these settings, you can simply go through the dashboard as I shown you. I'm going to show you all screen very quickly, so that you may have an idea what is available. Admission is the first part that every school is taking, of course, and we can simply go to the admission, and we can add admission as much as we want, of course, so as per capacity. So admission number is here. This is admission form that is available for admin or staff users as required, and you can put the student information. All the student information can be placed here as like siblings information, family information, or the father information, the basic student and information, city, occupation, and proof of qualification, whatever you want. And as I said, if you want to add more custom fields, it is available in the system setting itself. So you can add as many as custom fields you need on any this form or any other form. So classes are other management part that is very important for our school management system. And okay, so I'll show you the admission, well, complete admission first. So this is a example, and I can show you the admission field form. So this is a field form that is for a certain student, and it is completely filled. And what we can do with the field admission form, we can simply approve the admission, we can view, or we can even edit the credentials or information that is available. Next is class. Class is to be handled from this screen, and you can add classes. This is of course a single time activity, and you can place the student capacity class name and numeric class name. So it is for a system usage like 1 2 3 4 fifth class or class name, or you can place the class capacity here. Next, you can see the class timetable. That is very important, and it is really going to be very helpful and automatic the class reduce class routine. So class 1 and the teacher route list you can set here, like class 1. For class 1 you can set the route list Monday, so math 8 to 9, and Tuesday or Wednesday. So and daily route list you can set here, and you can of course edit these elements and add more things, like if you want to add class timetable, like class name where the timetable is applicable, class section and the subject or the day or the start time, in time, and everything. So route list is here, and you can edit this list as well as per your requirement, like class 2 and class 2 section. So add many as you want, you can create here, and you can simply add create virtual class or delete or mundane. So it is totally configurable system, and so I'm not a class or teacher, so I cannot tell you exactly what you need. But yes, setting is here. So so this is not available in the demo part, but yes, it will be available. Okay, so similarly you have to set the class, and the similarly you can go for class settings. Okay, class routine. Yeah, coming back again to the screen. Teacher timetable you can set here, and according to teacher the timetable can be set, and when the certain teacher is going to attend which class, it is simply available here, and we can add more and more timetable here, like this is here, and we can again select the teacher and class or start time. So export class route, as like a class route can be exported, and import class route can be imported in CSV formats. Next, we can see the virtual classrooms. If your school is offering the virtual classroom, it can be simply available here. So you can add a virtual classroom, and you can fill the credentials. And I skipped to show one very interactive screen. For time management, you can simply click on the wall clock links, and it can be simply updated the time. So it is not going to be hectic for you. You don't need to type the time or such thing. So it is very interactive, of course. And virtual classroom I have already shown. Next, I'll show you the subjects. Subjects to the class can be mapped here, and like you can manage the subjects here, and for class 2 or section, and what is the teacher. So it is also the author name. Okay, so sorry, it is author name, and the so tooltip is here. So and you can further edit these options, of course, and you can keep adding the subjects as applicable for class or wherever you want to map. So this is all about class, and now I am going to show you the user. Since this is an admin user, it has all the access. It can do anything in the system, like all students are visible here to admin, and it can be seen further the student information is available here, and similarly the teacher information can be seen by the admin, and teachers can be seen, like what are the credentials available for teacher, what is the attendance of teacher, and what is the class schedule of that particular teacher. It is also a very good thing. So if a class schedule has been configured at the system once, it will work for every time, of course, until you don't want to change. So and next is the support staff can be seen here, and further their information is available here, and you can use this information or edit this information, of course. So similarly, parent information like the student parents informations remains well in the system of a school management system. It is well available. Now the next part, admission is done, class is created. So student evaluation and examination management system. So you never assume this system is complete in all respect, and you can handle the complete examination system, student evaluation system through this system. So exam is here, and you can configure the exam, and the exam information can be seen simply here. I'll show you, as I said, which is the exam and what is the exam start date and end date. The information can be spread over the system, and the users will be able to see all this system like first exam, second exam, and exam timetable can be simply created here, and select exam name and the manage the exam time. It is really a very good thing. So when the timetable like subject code is here, math, computer, and when the exam time is going to state, which for which class it is going to be applicable. So it can be simply configured in the complete system. You can handle the complete exam using this interface. And the exam hall, further you can assign the exam hall for exam papers, exam schedules, and accordingly manage marks. So if the answer sheet has been evaluated, answer has been evaluated, the marks can be simply updated here, and you can really assume how it is going to be easy to automate your system like managing marks. And further the class students marks can be filled here with the comments as well. So you can fill the exam out of 100 and subject is already selected, and you can add mark to the certain students, and even fill data from CSV file. So you will get a CSV file, a downloadable CSV file format, and you can simply upload the exam marks using this interface. It is really very good. So, and further you can add multiple subject marks at once, like class name 1 is here, and you can select a section and you can go for exam, and you can update multiple subject marks, like you can update the math, computer, and whatever in the subject is already mapped in the system in one go. So you can simply update the details one by one and in one go, and further you can slide the screen as you need. Okay, so it is great and interactive, and you can also export the complete marks to the to a certain format, so that it may be kept in printed format for teachers as like. So it is not available, data is not here, but yes, it is, the system is here and the feature is here. Homework, it is a daily activity for the class teachers and even for admins. So what homework has been assigned, what for which class, and you can keep adding the homeworks on day by day basis, so the students may check their homeworks by logging into the system, like homework title, class, and so every teacher will get the separate credentials, every staff will get the separate credentials, whatever you want to assign them, and they will be able to update the homework. And you can, and since it is an admin user, so it can, and the admin can see the what has been submission, like what is the status and all these things. So homework like thing, and we can further check what is the pending areas are here, what is not being done by the staff properly. So admin or the principal of the school can handle all these things. Just you need to practice on the system, since you are admin, so you have all the access, and the screens and dashboards are going to be more easier for staff users. So homework is complete here, and homework can be uploaded simply using this screen. Similarly, attendance can be marked through the system, and it is also a very good thing that attendance is going to be automated simply by and this is a holiday. Okay, so it is a holiday. So I'm not sure where is the data laying in the system, but I just want to show you the screen if it is available, and all these are holiday. Okay, that is fine. So roll number is here, and if a student absent, then send a mail. If a student absent, so send the student. So this will be a very interactive screen, and on the working day, the data will be automatically filled in the grid. Payment goes without saying for administrators or school owners. It is a screen that is actually wanted in the system, actually required in the system, and it is very, very easy to use. So you can configure the system as required in your currency, and you can fee payment list. So you can have the complete details of what has been paid to the system, and the fee reminders if you want to send to the parents or students. So simply select the student's computer fee and you can set the reminders. And fee type list, you can configure the fee types, what are the fee heads that is to be collected, and that is applicable to which class. So it is going to be a configuration feature for our administrator, and further the fee can be collected by the staff using the system. Library is also available in the system. Generally, it is ignored in the school management system, but it is very, very good thing that we are having library management system in this dashboard itself. And this is, as I said, this is a complete school management system. So library is here, and you can add the issuance, book issue list, and book list can be updated simply here. So issue list can be updated or further added, like book can be issued for a librarian. It is a very common screen whom you are going to issue the book, and for which period, and the return date will be, and the automated mailings also here. So it is another advantage. Hostel, if it is required, it is well available. Generally, the system is being used for day board schools, but yes, hostel management is also well available. You can set hostels, add many hostel that is available in the school premise or wherever. So you can add hostels, you can manage hostel, manage seats, and you can further edit the details of any hostel, like hostel name, boys hostel, or intake capacity, or hostel address and fully facilitated or whatever. So in the hostel, you can use the hostel name, or you can add rooms to any particular hostel, and a room can be added as available, and the number of seats, like room number 5, select hostel name and the select room, and the beds capacity and the description. So in a hostel, rooms are obvious, and in a room, beds are obvious. So you have to configure all these things for hostel management. Like beds, you have to manage, and you can add beds to the room available at the hostel and room. Transport is another thing that can be managed well using this system, and it is well available here, and you can check the details of transport, like route name, vehicle identifier, vehicle registration number, and all can be simply added here. And transport is bit crisp, but yes, you can use the transport this screen for keeping the transport information, transport details, and the fare details for your reference purposes, of course. So it is not like tracking of vehicles, but yes, it is going to be available. Information is going to be available in the dashboard. Reports are, of course, the integral part of any automation system, and you can get multiple reports here through this option, like students reports, how many school students are here, class and section report, guardian reports, the admission report, sibling report. So all reports that be filled in the exam, I mean in the system, can be obtained here. The whatever data is available can be seen in the report format. Like financial payment and financial reports is well available here, like fee payment report, income report, and expense report, what has been done, what had been entered in the system can be seen here. Similarly, multiple reports like attendance, examination, library, hostel, user log, and audit trail report. So this is also a very good thing. And notification, as I can say you can configure multiple notifications as you need for your to send your students or parents or your staff. So that notification can be in two format, either in email or in SMS. So this is complete about the admin dashboard of a school management system, and uh, it is not limited to these features only. In the back end, the system is working fine and it will work fine for. So just to make you comfortable, the screens have been kept very simple, but yes, the system works very fine. Now I'm taking you to the another login screens, another user screen, so that you may get familiar with all the labels of this school management system. This is the student login, that is a student user, and the student can see the dashboard, what is available, what information is available for a student, and the class details like class routine a student can see, and if configured, of course data is not available here, but yes, virtual classroom and the subject details if available for a students, like this is the example data. Users like this is not so for a student, but yes, in the screen is available. A student evaluation like exam parts can be seen here, grade and all, like final exam, a student for a student. So homework details can be seen by the student here, submitted or whatever. So what is the details? But a student can view only. So view homework detail, submit homework, or view the document. So these are the options for homework. Similarly, payment can be made through the fee details can be seen here. Further, the fee details and view invoice and even pay option is here. So you can configure the payment gateways here. So we are here to support you in this regard, just in case if you need. So library information for students, hostel information, and the library, whatever the issue has been done for is the particular student. Hostel, if the student is using hostel, the details will be visible here. Transport details, just in case the user is using notification like notice, events, message, notification, and the user account, that is a screen. This is a screen for a student user, and he or she can update their details. So this is all about the student login. Now this is a screen for teacher, I mean the teaching staff, and this is going to be valuable for all teachers, like admission details. A teacher can see class routine. So these are the same screen, just labels have been changed that I have already shown you. I'm not going to repeat all this screen. What users can see, I'm just showing you. Like a teacher can see the admission details, class details, user details, a student evaluation part, homework, attendance, payment part, library, hostel, transport, report, and notification. Further account details can be changed. And this is the parent login screen. Further, parents can see the class routine, virtual classroom, subject details, user, child, teacher, parents, student evaluation, homework. The payment can be made by the parents, of course. And so prepayment option and payment options are well available here, and it is connected to the payment gateway, and students can pay, their parents can pay the fee and check all the details like transport, hostel, library, whatever they are using. And this is the login for the support staff. Again, support staff can access certain things what had been allowed for a support staff. This is like administration support staff, like clerks, etc. can be considered as support staff, and they will be able to access the screens that has been allowed to them. So I have shown you much of the screens, much of the things about the system, and I believe now you are convenient with the system. You can understand the system, and for buying the complete school management system, you have to follow the video description link, like given in the form of affiliate link that is available, and the plugin is well available for just for $59 at the code Canyon through the link given in the description. And just in case if you want a demo instance, we can create a demo instance for you, and you have to reach us through the iCreate program, as I said. And you can also explore all these things at your own, like screenshots, videos will be available, and you have all the login details as well. So you can explore the things at your own, make yourself comfortable. And I must tell you, this is a system that had been rated 4.38. This is very good rating at Code Canyon, and you can take this system without any doubt because it has been well tested in the industry itself. But yes, one part is still remaining that I want to show you the installation part, that how you can install this plugin, and how uh, the plugin works after installation in actually. So I have shown you the screens that was already available by the themed plugin developer itself. So I use that screen only. Now I'm going to install the plugin at fresh installation of this WordPress. So I'm considering you are having a WordPress website, and even if you are not having a WordPress website, you can install the WordPress core for using this feature, and further use this plugin as a additional feature at your school website, or you can link both of these things. So here is the plugin pack that you are going to get when you will buy the plugin through the Code Canyon, through the link given in the description, and you'll get all these contents. Like sample data is available, documentation, changelog, and licensing part is here. And this is the plugin that we need to upload for installing the plugin. This is the file that we need to upload. And there is a file called WordPress security setting. You can go through this file. You can update these settings, what is available at your installation, what is given at this informations are here. You can update all these things because you need to protect your system as well. You have to change some htaccess. You have to add some lines simply, and that is available here. And you can simply go to these settings and you can apply the settings. And just in case if you need any support, we are here. I'm repeating again and again. So this is the plugin file that we need to upload. And now I'm uploading the plugin to the fresh installation of my WordPress. So we can simply we have this simple website. It don't have any content, of course. So I am using a fresh installation. As I said, you can use your existing WordPress website, and you can also create a standalone website for a standalone WordPress interface for using this plugin. So this is the dashboard, and now I'm going to add a new plugin. So what I do, I directly upload the plugin to the file manager to save some time, and it is going to be easy for me since we have the WordPress optimized servers. You can also have the same. I'm going to add the link of WP Themes website. You can get hosting as well, just in case if you don't have any suitable and adequate hosting plan, you can have a hosting, and we can install everything for you. And let us upload the plugin first, and I'll go to the domain through the file manager. This is simple, but yes, it should be accessible to you. All the details should be available for you. And if somehow it is not available, you can upload the plugin directly through the WordPress interface. So I'm using this, and I'll select the file, installable file. And we have to select this, and this is showing around 59 MB in size, so it may take a while. Since it is a complete system, complete management system, so 60 MB is just a very less size for such a great plugin. So simply come back and extract the uploaded file. The simple process is here, but yes, you have to follow each step exactly as I am following. Delete this step 1 to save some hosting space, and we will come to this screen that is installed plugins screen, and we have now the plugin that is school management available here. Simply activate the plugin and we can go further. And now, since we have activated the plugin, complete list of features are available as I shown in the earlier part of this video. So we can simply go with all these options, and all the settings can be done. I'll show you very quickly randomly some screens, few screens. So this is dashboard, and now it is not a demo instance. It is actually installed at our hosting. Dashboard is here. So since it don't have any data, it cannot show you anything. All the features are exactly available in the same manner as I shown you, and you have to go for So you have to update the license key first of all to using this all these things. But yes, you can do all these activities that you need for your school management system. So once you activate the license, all these things will be exactly available as we seen in our demo instance. And I'm not activating this license because it is going to be a single use license, and it is just a demo installation just to show you all the features of this plugin. You can go at your own, and as I said, you can reach us directly, and we are going to manage all these things, install all these things, manage all these things for you, and even we can help you in the configuring the system, how you can proceed with the system. But yes, as I said, this channel WP Themes has multiple options for you, and you can actually compare the things like school management system for WordPress is here, and I shown you most of the screen that is available or most of the features available with this plugin. But yes, I don't want to be limited only with this plugin. So in the next video, I'm coming with next solution. This is also for a school management system. You can watch this the coming video as well, and it is going to be the school management, education, and even learning management system for WordPress. And it is also a very good plugin, and it has got a wonderful star ratings, and it has been developed by the Webalizer. So I'm coming with this video. In the coming video, you will watch this as well. Just keep watching. If you are anyhow connected to WordPress, and thus there are solutions that is available, and you don't need expensive softwares for automating your process or making a wonderful website. So we have everything, we have all the solutions. Just get in touch with us through iCreate, and we can really create great things together, and we will definitely deliver you the best, that if just in case. And however, we are much focused. You have to do all the things at your own. So this is why the videos are coming, and the multiple themes, plugins, demonstrations are available at this channel itself. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.